Right guys, I didn't know this was all going on today, but let me just do this. Every year they come and raise money and the tractors come across. Look at them, so they go from town to town and they all come from here, champs. You're mad. The cows are here, part of it. Yeah, we'll see them all go through here. There's one. Look at them all, they must be well hot though, man. Jeez. And if you don't be fast and watch it, you ain't gonna see it, guys. Let's go and see Henrietta. She'll tell us a bit about it. I met a new friend today. That's it. Look at the kids in iron balls. Oh, look at her, look. Wait, this is fun, man. Go on, girl. Go roll down like that. Go on, the boy. He's breaking as he comes through here. Oh, that's mad. Look at him spinning it up, that's mad. Make sure you like, subscribe to the video, guys. Hey. Hey. Go on, guys, look at this. So. Go on. Hey, this is mad. This is very good, Henrietta, isn't it? You're right. Hey! Way. Yeah, we know, man, you're right. Bless you. Ooh, look at him, brother. Big boy. I'm glad I stayed now. I'm glad I stayed now. I was going to go. Yeah. So what's this called again?
It's on the Scotland Wear Facebook page.
Okay.
It's Tractors on Tour, I think.
Ah.
I think it's for
Oh, yeah, it's a very good thing, yeah.
I mean,
But they're raising a lot of money, aren't they, here?
well, I think the £2,000.
£2, yeah.
I mean, I don't know. They do actually, ring up and say, is it alright?
Right, to do this, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Yeah, of course. Look at him. They want to go through so fast. Woo! Oh, he wanted that. He wanted to cool down. And him, look. Whee! Wow.
They keep the hearts in Middlesex. They've
So-
restored all this river. They won't like it.
Yeah, they won't like
I
it again.
can't stop
So,
them,
yeah.
but it's obviously stirring up all the
Wow, I
water.
thought there was only a few of them. There's loads.
No, I know.
Whoa.
Yeah, but they're stirring up all the
Water, yeah, I
I
know.
won't tell Sarah.
No. If not, they're going to get in big trouble and never come back here through here again. Yay. He's eating his lunch. Yeah, of course not. Look how old some of these wagons though, they're well old. '60s, yeah, definitely 1960s. Wow. Sitting here. Oh, keep up the good work, man. They're doing an amazing job. Wow, even women. Go on, the girls. That's it.
It's one of the highlights. Actually.
Yeah. The race chase, is it? That's what it's called, the race chase. Wow, look, you've got old ones on the back of a truck and that. Yeah. Come on. They're through here, yeah. You've never had one lorry, no? It's only the only lorry, yeah. Hey! Woo! Oh man! Hey! God, he needed that. They all need a good pull down, look. Ooh. And these are old lorries, look now. This is the last lot, isn't it? Oh yeah, they're definitely mashing this up. Wow, he was huge. Yay! God! Oh, no, that wasn't. Yeah, that's job done, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you write comments in the chat. Thank you for watching.